Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Arjuna Street, Nakula Street and Sunset Road in Kuta Bali. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will explore Arjuna Street or Double Six Street, Nakula and Sunset Road during the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali. Actually, emergency lockdown for Bali start from 3 until 20 of July, but we continue or extended until 2 of August. And now our government extended the emergency lockdown in Bali until 9 of August. Okay, now we are in Arjuna Street. So this is the condition at the moment in Arjuna Street. A lot of the shop still closed because the emergency lockdown for Bali. Left side, right side, that's the shop still closed. Actually, in this area is very famous for the business tourism, because in this area we have a lot of shop and they sell in the wholesale price. So that's why there is a lot of tourists from other country visiting Bali for business, and they come to this area to buy a lot of stuff and they send to their country to resell in their country for sure. But you see the condition at the moment is very quiet. It's like nothing activity here. I'm gonna say like 95% the shop is closed. Okay, this is the main street in Legian Street. And then we will continue driving to explore Nakula Street. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video, because I believe there is more than 1 million people want to know about the condition at the moment in Bali, because they are missing Bali, that's for sure. Big hotel right side. This video I make on 6 p.m. in Nakula Street. So this is the condition at the moment in Nakula Street. In this area it look busier than Kuta area, because in this area there is a lot of local business as warung or local restaurant, the shop for local people and else activity. That's why in this area look busier than Arjuna Street. See the right side, there is local market. Actually in this area I was busy too, because this is the access to go to Arjuna Street and Legian Kuta. But you see there is not so many cars around here. Just look very quiet. And actually in this area, right side and left side, there is a lot of villa, also some hotel. So that's why usually here always busy with the car actually. But today is very quiet. Okay, so there is the condition at the moment in Nakula Street. And now we will turn left to explore Sunset Road on 6 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, we reach the Sunset Road now. And this area is the access to go to Seminyak area, and usually also busy road. But you see, it looks like empty, not so many cars drive around on this area now. I've never seen the taxi so far. Just look very quiet, isn't it? Sunset Road, kind of highway in Bali also. Actually, in this road, lot of car driving very fast. And now I'm driving very slow, but there is not so many car passing me as the taxi or private car. Just look very quiet. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Sunset Road. It's very quiet, isn't it? Okay, if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new condition in Bali area. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.